Let's clearly understand this important update that was announced in the Pi network project. This update is something that has allowed many pioneers to finally migrate to the mainnet just within this week. This is big news. It is a major technical improvement, and millions of pioneers around the world have already benefited from it. This is a new upgrade that uses AI inside the Pi KYC system to make KYC verification faster for many pioneers. This means mainnet migration also becomes faster. Bottlenecks are reduced, and the system is now building a foundation for a new digital economy built for real everyday people. This upgrade is a clear sign of the future. It shows that Pi network is building a blockchain for real people, with AI helping increase speed and with a strong global compliance and protection. The first major announcement is that the Standard KYC, the main KYC used by all pioneers who want to migrate to mainnet, has now been upgraded with the same level of AI used in Pi Fast Track KYC. The Fast Track KYC was originally created for new users and non-Pi users, so they could get a wallet and start using Pi. But after months of observing how Fast Track KYC works, Pi's tech team saw that this AI system could greatly reduce KYC waiting time, increase speed, and reduce mistakes. That is why they decided to add this same AI power into the Standard KYC, which is the main process that actually unlocks mainnet migration. This completely changed the entire process, because the AI has now reduced the number of KYC applications waiting for human validators by 50%. Cutting human work in half makes the system faster, removes problems in countries with a few validators, and reduces delays. This is why many people who were stuck in tentative KYC are finally getting approved. AI reviews the applications quickly, removes unnecessary problems, and pushes forward the cases that need fast approval, all resulting in a much faster mainnet migration. The AI technology inside Pi KYC is very powerful. It checks photos, checks liveness, identifies errors or inconsistencies, and helps confirm if any information is missing or happening every second without stopping. The AI uses machine learning models to detect problems and prevent applications from getting stuck. But the system is very careful. It does not allow false approvals. If AI is unsure even a little bit, it stops and sends the case to human validators for final checking. This prevents AI from approving someone who should not pass or rejecting someone who deserves approval. Another amazing thing is that this AI upgrade helps many pioneers in regions where validators were not enough. These people can now move forward because AI reduces pressure on human validators. Many who were in tentative KYC can now clear their applications by simply completing the required liveness checks in the app. Since the upgrade started, the numbers speak for themselves. 17.5 million pioneers have fully passed KYC, and 15.7 million pioneers have already migrated to mainnet. This is something no other blockchain project in history has ever achieved. Millions of real people with verified identities, approved legally and securely. Pi also announced that more than 3 million tentatively KYC'd pioneers can unlock themselves simply by completing the liveness check. Those who have not done it yet are encouraged to do it quickly so they can join the fast-moving migration wave. Another update discussed is about Validator reward distribution. This refers to the payments that will be given to people who helped validate KYC since 2021. Because KYC has been running for over 4 years, there are hundreds of millions of validation tasks. This means the data must be reviewed, categorized, checked for quality, and prepared for secure distribution. That is why Pi announced that the entire system for paying validators will be ready before the end of Q1 2026, and the rewards will be distributed on the Mainnet blockchain with security and transparency. All of this shows Pi Network's greater vision. A safe blockchain built on verified identities, strong privacy, strong compliance, and AI support that removes all unnecessary barriers. This identity-based digital economy will allow Pi to be used by external industries that require real identity verification, Web3 platforms, AI systems, metaverse projects, and new digital banking models. Looking at everything, Pi is not just building a coin. Pi is building a digital nation, a global internet-based community with millions of people, its own currency, its own world system, rules, AI protection, cryptographic security, quantum resistance, and a real economy built on real people, not on market speculation. Because of this KYC transformation, pioneers are now joining Mainnet at a speed never seen before. AI removed most of the delays, human validators are no longer overwhelmed, and the KYC process is faster than at any time in Pi's history. This is a strong sign that the project has entered a powerful stage, a stage where Mainnet development is becoming real, stable, and open. Pioneers should understand that this is not a small improvement, it is a foundation for what's Pi. It is a foundation of what Pi's economy will look like in the next decade. Those who have not done KYC should do it. Those who have not completed their migration checklist should finish it. This is the only way to be part of what is coming. The Pi economy is being built now, and what we see today is just the beginning of a new digital economy built on real people, their skills, their energy, and their everyday digital activities. And all of this is already starting to show results right now.